What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay Billease loan using QRPH. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly use QRPH here for paying your loan? Well, in this case, this one is fairly easy. So first things first is you want to go ahead and open up your Billease app here. Just log in into your account. Now in here, what we need to do next is you want to access the installment that you want to pay here. But in this case, once you've accessed the installment that you want to pay, this is what it should look like. Now you can go ahead and choose pay next installment here, or pay all your installments, or pay custom amount here. So go ahead and just customize this as you would. So in this case, the amount that you want to pay. But once you specify that, you can go ahead and click on the pay now button you see at the bottom of your screen. Now next is you should be able to see the QR code that you could actually use for paying your current balance here. So you could go and click on download QR here, and you should now have a photocopy of this QR code. Now the thing with QR codes here, or in this case with QRPH, you could actually use, or you could actually use different account. So it doesn't necessarily to be it doesn't have to be your account that you pay with. You could basically use a different let's just say a Gcash account, or you could go ahead and just go to a store and say that, hey, you want to pay for something, and you could just ask them to pay this specific bill here via the Gcash app, and you just need to hand out the actual payment to them when they're doing so. But then again, it's better to ask that store, or that in this case that mini store, if they actually support that. So ask first. But to be speaking, if you want to pay using a Gcash app, what you need to do is you just want to open up the Gcash app here, log in into your account, and just click on QR at the very bottom of the screen, and it should allow you to upload your QR. Now, since we downloaded the offline copy, you go and just click on upload QR and choose that photo, and it will automatically scan that QR code that we just recently downloaded. Now, from here, you just need to fill a few things, like, for example, the amount that you're paying, the amount to discount here if you have that, and also the total amount. Just click on pay at the very bottom here and confirm a few things, and you should be good. That's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.